Welcome to the ultimate guide on how to get CapCut Pro for free. In this video, I'll walk you through
FBI, open up!
Sorry.
Huh?
Let's begin by accessing CapCut Pro features on your computer. First, import your video into CapCut and apply the Pro effects, transitions, and animations to enhance your video. Once you've added these professional touches, start your screen recording and ensure CapCut is in full screen mode. Record the video, and after you're done, import it back into CapCut, cut the timeline part, and scale it up a bit to hide the borders. With this method, you can enjoy the benefits of CapCut Pro features without any additional cost. You now have your video with CapCut Pro features. For Mac users, you can follow the same steps. And for Android or iPhone users, simply utilize the built-in screen recording feature to capture your video with the Pro effects applied. Now, let's talk about another way to use CapCut Pro for free. When you open CapCut, you'll notice an Invite Friends option. If you don't see this option, it might be available in the ads section. Click on it, and you'll be provided with a unique link. Copy this link and share it with a friend. When your friend installs CapCut and uses it, both of you will gain access to CapCut Pro for free for the next 7 days. You can do this up to 10 times, which means you'll get CapCut Pro for free for the next 70 days. Simply share the link with 10 friends who have never installed CapCut on their computers. However, it's important to note that in some countries, CapCut Pro features might not be available. I have tried to download CapCut with VPN on to access the United States CapCut version, but it didn't work. Then I tried to download from the Microsoft Store with VPN on, but it also didn't work. For those users who don't have this Pro feature option, you might have to wait for the new update of CapCut PC. Hopefully they will add Pro features soon. I recently switched up the voiceover in my videos based on your feedback. Some of you mentioned the previous one was too fast, so I made a change. What do you think of the new voiceover? Is it better now? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I want to hear from you. Your input helps shape the future content. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit subscribe for more content. Drop a comment with your thoughts. Now watch this Ali Abdal video editing tutorial. I'll see you in the next video.